Embarking on a weight loss journey can be both exhilarating and daunting. To lose weight and maintain your ideal weight, it's vital to integrate healthy lifestyle choices into your daily routine. Begin by cultivating a mindset focused on wellness rather than restriction. Shift your perspective to see food as nourishment, using vibrant fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to fuel your body. Incorporating regular physical activity is essential for successful weight management. Aim for a balance of cardiovascular exercises, such as brisk walking or cycling, and strength training activities that build lean muscle mass. This dual approach not only accelerates fat loss, but also enhances your metabolism, creating a more efficient energy-burning environment. Making exercise a joyous part of your life rather than a chore will ensure you remain committed in the long term. Mindful eating is another crucial component of a healthy weight loss strategy. Slow down and savor each bite, paying attention to hunger cues and emotional triggers that may lead to overeating. By practicing mindfulness, you'll develop a deeper connection to your body, allowing you to make conscious choices that align with your health goals. Establishing a supportive environment plays a key role in maintaining your weight loss. Surround yourself with friends and family who encourage healthy habits and celebrate your successes. Consider joining a community group or online support network to share your experiences and learn from others on similar journeys. This connection can provide motivation and inspiration when challenges arise. Staying hydrated is often an underestimated factor in weight management. Drinking water throughout the day not only keeps your body functioning optimally, but can also help prevent unnecessary snacking. Aim to replace calorie-laden beverages with water, herbal teas, or infusions that invigorate your senses without adding extra calories. Lastly, ensure you prioritize rest and recovery. A good night's sleep plays a pivotal role in regulating hormones related to hunger and satiety. When well rested, you're better equipped to make healthier food choices and resist temptation. Additionally, manage stress through practices like yoga, meditation, or even simple breathing exercises, reducing emotional eating triggers. By combining mindful eating, regular exercise, emotional support, proper hydration, and restorative sleep, you can achieve sustainable weight loss. Embrace this journey with patience and celebrate your progress as you cultivate a healthier lifestyle that lasts beyond the scale.